Breathing. We do it from the moment we're born until the day we die. Yet, when we practice focusing on something so simple, it transforms our life.
Daily meditation. It's the antidote to worries, stress, and nonstop thinking. For some people, it's like breaking out of the mental prison to find paradise. People suffer from stress, anxiety, depression, and lead to physical illnesses. So many people turn to medication for the answers, when the answers are inside you. Meditation will help you with all that stuff and more. It's actually the best way to start the day. It only takes a couple minutes. Why don't you hang around? Give it a try.
We have such busy minds, always thinking thoughts, about 50,000 a day. Focusing and refocusing your attention on your breath allows you to practice controlling your thoughts and, more importantly, become more aware of your thoughts as separate from yourself. It allows you to practice exercising your will over your mind. And from that, you'll learn to control your thoughts and your emotions. And then from that, you'll naturally change in behavior, and some things are no longer interesting, and other things become beautiful. To do this breathing meditation, we're going to do three things. First, we're going to get comfortable. So get yourself a comfortable spot. Try to sit upright if you can. And let's take a big breath in. Secondly, we're going to focus our attention on the sensations of our breath entering and exiting the body. Just be aware. Feel it passing into your nose, down into your lungs, your chest rising. You may straighten your spine a little bit. And then exhale. And then just start relaxing. Just let the body take air in. Let the air pass back out. Don't think about it any other time. The only thing you're doing now is becoming aware. While you're being aware of your breath, I want you to focus your heart energy on joy and gratitude. You don't need a reason to be happy, you just are. Put your heart energy on joy and gratitude. Focus your energy on the sensations of the air going in and out of your body. Every time you realize your mind is wandering, lovingly refocus your attention on the sensations of your breath. Feel the flow of the air passing in your body and back out. Notice the rate in which you breathe. Are you breathing deep? Are you breathing shallow? Are you breathing fast? Are you relaxed? Clenching your teeth? Let it all go. Just in and out. Just take a few moments. Continue focusing on your breath. Keep your heart energy on joy and gratitude. And wait for the bell. Stay focused. 2 more minutes. Breathe in, breathe out. Your heart should be with joy and gratitude. Well, congratulations. You did it. Breathing meditation is probably my favorite, and I appreciate you spending some time with me today. It's amazing how something that seems to be nothing is absolutely something, and it's life-changing. Stick with your practice. I'm proud of you, and I'll see you soon. Peace and love.
Thank you for meditating with me. I hope you've enjoyed this sunrise, and I hope this brightens your day. If you enjoyed this time together, please let me know in the comments. Click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone you love. Help me spread some sunshiny meditations in the morning. Peace and love.